Good morning, everybody. This is Veera Reddy, lecturer in Computer Science, JVR Government College, Chutpalli. HTML formatting. Previous class we seen in this HTML formatting we seen the font faces. In this formatting we seen the font faces or typefaces, whatever it may be. Typefaces. Already seen the bold text within the B. You may write it as it display the bold and italic. It is also seen. Just it displays here as italic sized, and underlined text is also underlined the typeface. Next one is strike text, is also the strike the double line, strike the text spaced font. It displays the light color, light shade of the compare with the other text, superscript text. It displays the size of a character, height, size, and displays the top and subscript alter of size, and it displays the subscript bottom of the side here. Then here now we see the inserted text. Anything that appears within INS is also the INS elements is displayed as inserted text. Here INS insert text is a opening and closing text. Here top type HTML and HTML head title is inserted text. Example: head close, body close. I want to drink cola. Del insert wine, insert B, body. Here in this insert we inserted WINE, wine. Cola is deleted, that is crossed. Here we see in the example here. Next one is the deleted text. Here we see the inserted text. It is appears within INS. Insert is also the couple elements. Here we see the I want to drink. Here the title of the page is insert text. The want to drink, DEL, cola, del, INS. Here in this paragraph a word is written, want to drink, and here del and del element or tag is deleted, and ins winep. Here following result, I want to drink, the cola is deleted and the wine is inserted. Here deleted text, anything that appears within the del and del. Here the same example you may take here, the deleted text, want to drink del and cola, same, it displays the del as a cola. This program is example program is used for the ins insert and deleted both elements. Larger text, here the content of the big element is displayed one font size longer than the rest of the text surrounding it is shown below. The big it is shown below. The rest of the text surrounding it is shown below. Here doc type program, example program start, doc type HTML, then HTML head title, largest text example, head close, title close and head close. The following word uses a big within the big element, then this is also typeface, the within the paragraph, then body close. The following word uses a big typeface, this is bigger than the rest of the surrounding text. Here smaller text, the content of the small, this is also paid tag, then the small element is displayed one font size smaller than the rest of the surrounding it as shown below. Here for the example, doc type HTML head, smaller text example, head. In this body, the following word user as a small, the closing tag is small. Between the two tags are two elements written as small. This is also a font face or typeface. Paragraph close, then body close and the HTML close. Here the following result is word uses a small typeface. The rest of the remaining font size is bigger than the written as the small. Here we see the small here. Then grouping content, the div and span elements allow you to group together several elements to create sections, subsections of a page. For example, you might want to put all the footnotes on the page within a div element to indicate all the elements within that div elements. Related to the footnotes, you might then attach a style to this div. Elements so the vary appear using the special set of style rules. Here you may write it as the example doctype HTML div tag example div id menu align middle div href index.html href about content as html content href about div id content align left pg color white. Here you see the result of this one, home, content, about. Here these three are the, you see the menu, here home, content, about. Here a href is index.html is the hypertext of the page. When the home is selected, the text, the web page links with the another HTML page or web page, and the same href, it is in the contact us.html. This is also a one web page. When you select the contact, automatically the hypertext links with the contact as HTML web page, it opens, and the same href about index.html, you may select the html about, then automatically opens the index html page. And then div id content align left busy color white. Here background color taken as a white and alignment is a left. Content, the size of the h5, here h5 is the size of the text content articles, then h5 is closed, h5 is a small size, and p, the paragraph starts, h12 content goes here, you may write it here anything, then the div close, body close, html close. Here grouping content, here too, and here the group, you may group the content like here home, content, and about are these three are the hyperlink pages. When you are selected the hyperlinks here, then automatically the pages go to the open to the another web page. Here example for span style color green, span tag span, and the span style color red is also the, you may see here span tag also here green, given by the green, div tag is given by the red, along with CSS. You may write it anything here. Here only writes as span style only given by the color here. The color is the value of the style. The value is written in the within the double quotes here. Then it appears or it follows the result here. The example of the span tag and the div tag along with CSS. Here span tag here given as the green. If the color gives the text or integer or hexadecimal also. HTML the next one is HTML pairs tags. The pairs tags have been here parse tags. The parse tags have been disclosed for specific purpose, though they are displayed in the similar way to other basic tags like b, I, spree, tt. In the chapter we see through the important pairs tags. So let's start seeing them one by one. Empathized text. Anything that appears within EM elements displayed as empathized text. Here program, example program, doc type HTML, head, title, empathized text example is the title, head, body. The following word used as a EM empathized and EM closed is also the typeface. The following word used as empathized typeface. Here we see the empathized as the different font type than the rest of the other font. You may write here as the empathized EM only, end with the EM is also the pair tag, and this is the typeface empathized. Marked text. Anything that appears with IN in marked elements to display the marked with yellow link. For example, this is also doc type HTML, head, mark type example, head, body. The following word has been marked within the mark element with yellow. Body close and HTML close. This will produce the following. The following word has been marked color as the yellow here. Here marked color as the yellow here, not marked here, but it is yellow. Strong text. Anything that appears with strong element displayed as important text. Example: doc type HTML title strong text example. Head: the following word used strong. This is also the typeface. Within the body, the font, the paragraph start. The following word uses a strong by the strong typeface, and paragraph close, the body close, and text HTML. This will produce the following result. The following word use a strong typeface. Text observation. It can be text by the putting. Here you see the only strong is the different, and it is stronger than the other, bold than the other text. This is the strong. Putting inside opening ABBR and closing ABBR tags. If present, the title attributes must contain the full description and nothing else. The example of this observation, text observation is abbreviation is doc type HTML head title text abbreviation title close. My best friend's name is Abhishek. ABBR title Abhishek, then Abhi by closing the abbreviation. Here the best friend name is Abhi. Here this is the abbreviation. The acronym element allows to indicate the text between acronym A and closing tag. Also, it presents the major browser to do not change the appearance in the content of the element. Here example for the doc type HTML head, in the title program name HTML body. This chapter converts making up to text. Acronym XHTML, close the tag. Here this chapter converts making up text in XML. This is the output or result of this program. Next one is the text direction. The BDO element standards for bi-directional and used to override and current text direction. Example for this: doc type HTML title text direction. Example: body. This text will be go left to right. BDO RTL right to left. This text will go right to left, and BDO close. This will produce the following result. The text will go left to right, the text will go right to left. what you want to go, the test direction will be displace direction or any direction, LTR, right to left or left to right, RTL, any direction it will goes. Special terms. The DFN element, HTML definition element, allows you to specify that you are introducing a special term. Its usage is similar to italic words in this midset of a paragraph. Here, same example, doctype.html, HTML head, title, special term, example, head. The following word is DFN special. Here, which is the result? The following word is special term. This is a special, only the change. Quoting test. When you want to quote a passage from another source, you should put in a between black quote, close the black quote tags. Text inside a backward element, usually intent from the left and right edge of the surrounding text, and sometimes uses an initialized font. Example, doctype HTML, HTML head, title, course example. Head. The following description of HTML is taken from the W3C website. There are black quotes. You may write it as here, anything here, then the close the black quote and close the body and HTML. The procedure for following result is the following description of HTML is taken from the W3C website. Short quotations. Q element is when the want to add a double quotes within a sentence. Example, doctype.html, HTML head, double quote. Example, here title is closed, head is closed, the program body starts, a paragraph is start, emit is an pain. Quotation, I think I am wrong. Q close, body close. This is the procedure. The following result. Amity is in Spain. I think I am wrong. Text. Text citations. Here, between the opening city tag and closing city tag, it is used for city site, CIT, site and site. Here we write it as the This this HTML tutorial is derived from CITA W3 standard for HTML CITA. The procedure for following the HTML tutorial is derived from W3 standard of HTML. Computer code. Any programming code is appearing on the web page should be placed inside quote and close tag. Usually the content of the code elements is presented in the mono specified font, just like the code most programming books. Example. Here example for the computer code and mono spaced code is the same. Here regular text, you see the program doc type HTML head computer code example head code title close head close body open the paragraph start regular text code, this is code is close, regular text paragraph is also close, the body close and HTML close. This will produce the following result: regular text, this is code, regular text, the this is code is the code or mono. Then keyboard text. When you are talking about computers, you want to tell reader to either some text, you can use the KBD element to indicate what should be typed in. As the example here, regular same doc type HTML text and the program title is keyboard text example. Then this is the inside KBD elements regular text. In this side KBD element regular text here. Then programming variables. This element is usually used in conjunction with the pre and code elements to indicate that the content of the elements is the variable. Here doc type HTML head title variable text example is the title of the program, head and the body. Here the code doc type write where user dot name by where the code is p by body. Return the output of the program is like this. Next one is the program output. The SAMP element indicates the sample output from a program. The script exit again. It is a mainly used when documenting programming or coding concept. Here title of the program is program output example. Result program by the program is SAMP hello world. Then hello world is the SAMP here. The result procedure may be program is hello world here. Address text. In this address text, elements used to contain any address. You may write the program doc type HTML head. The title is address example. Head body address. These are the address of the program. Address of the person. Then the body and the HTML. Here it displays the address only here. This is the address text. We seen the lot of here. You go to the array tags and refer array tags. You go to the formatting, HTML formattings. You see in the bold text, italic text, and underline the text, take the text, monospecific text, and superscript text and subscript text, and inserted text and deleted text, and longer text, smaller text, grouping content. Here in the grouping content, you see in the hyperlinks also. We see in the hyperlinks also. Hyperlinks example also are taken, and colors also are taken. These fast tags also not useful for UG level. In our syllabus, the fast tags are not in the syllabus, but it is just used to know, empathize the text, mark text, strong text, text abbreviations, acronymic text elements, text direction, both directions, special terms, outing text, short quotations, text citations, computer code, keyboard text, programming variables, programming outputs, address text. These are all the you seen in the present class. Thank you for watching.